Good morning, my lovely and amazing family in the house. This is me, your girl, your sister, your friend Beauty. It is Beauty Egareva YouTube channel. Welcome back, guys. Today is your first time you are seeing my video on YouTube channel. Please hit the red subscribe button and press the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you have time to always come and check it out, guys. If you are subscribed here before, thank you for tuning in. Thank you so much, my lovely people. Yeah, guys, today's video I'm going to introduce to you my Nigeria sausage recipe. Yes, this is what I want to make this morning. So let me share with you guys. Let me share with my family how I prepare my Nigeria sausage roll. So, guys, let's get started. In this bowl, I have my all-purpose flour, about 5 cups. This is my nutmeg, baking powder, salt. They are here. I'm going to pour it inside the flour. Then I mix together. No, then after that I'm going to add my butter. I use any butter of your choice. This is 250 grams. Now I'm going to work with my hand with the butter. My hand are clean.
My hand is burning.
I'm going to crack my 2 eggs. And mix together.
We also keep quiet.
In this cup I have my water here, my cold water. It's for the tap. Water is very cold. I'm not going to add everything at once. Just go to put in little by little, because we don't want our dough to be watery. You add, you mix. Here our dough is ready. Now we're going to transfer it to our wash surface. Now I'm going to sprinkle a little flour to it so that we don't stick. Just to mash it a little so that we smooth. So our dough is ready. I'm going to transfer it to the bowl. Cover it to allow it to cool down for 5 minutes before we go to the next process. To use my kitchen scissors to cut. That is all. Yes, guys, this is 5 minutes. Now we're going to sprinkle a flour on our wall surface so that the dough will not get sticky. Let me introduce you guys to my sausage. This is it. I have 10 pieces here. This is the sausage I use. This is the sausage I use. Yes, guys. I've cut it into two. Keep this one aside so that I will work with the other one. Now we are going to roll it out before we start cutting. So guys, you can see I've rolled it out. Now we are going to cut. I'm going to use this one. Like this. Remove the excess. That is it. Look at how beautiful it is. Wow. This is our sausage. Go to grab one. Like this. You roll. I hope I'm not covering you guys. This is it, guys. As you can see our sausage. Look at how beautiful it is. Wow. This is nice. I'm going to transfer it to my baking pan. Grab another one. Repeat the same process. I hope you guys have seen me. Done. That is it, guys. So that is how I'm going to continue with the rolling out all of them until I get the. Remember this sausage is 10 pieces, so we are going to bring that 10 sausage out of this dough. Yes. That is all. Done. Very simple, guys. Simple. In this plate, I just break one egg with a little water, mix it together. This is my egg wash for the sausage roll. Mix it very well. This is it. Yes, so my lovely people, our sausage roll is ready. This is it, guys. Very beautiful. Wow. This is nice. Look at it. It's ready. See? This is it. That is it. It's ready.
Mommy, can you give me juice?
It's ready to eat, guys. What do you think about my sausage, guys? Please let me know what you think. Drop your comment for the comment section below. Please like this video, share, subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed, guys. If you have subscribed before, thank you so much for tuning in. And don't forget to press that notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you have time to always come and check it out, guys. Thank you so much for your love, your support. I love you all so much, guys. Thank you. Bye bye. See you on my next video. Kiss to you all. Please share my video to your friend, to anybody of your choice, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.